Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, handing out the logo for print on demand and single logo designed for single people, single persons, man or woman doesn't make any difference, but these are the logos, sayings and slogans that you can put on your on t-shirts, on caps, on um, hoodies and jackets and anything else you want to put it on, you see. So, and yeah, for the print on demand business, and the platform I recommend is the Printful platform. So, because they can start you off for free, and they give you points and everything else. Uh, take you through what you have to do to set up, and you only have to do it once. And then the only work you really do is what I'm going to be showing you here. And the work is very simple. It's not that difficult at all. It's just creating your slogans, your logos, and your sayings. That's all it is for your caps, your mugs, your t-shirts, your hoodies, and your jackets, and whatever else you want to put your those slogans, logos, and sayings on. That's all that's for, that's it. And this is the page for the single print on demand logos and slogans and sayings. So okay, and that'll be in the middle here. And yeah, so without further ado, I think we should get on with it, and get on to the next set of slogans, which I'll use here, PowerPoint. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay, it's one I've got here. I'll show you how simple this is. I mean, this is really simple. Yeah, and so this is the first one: single but never alone. Well, I guess people are thinking, well, what the hell does that mean? I mean, well, you aren't alone. That's a fact. You've got your own thoughts, and you can read, you can, listen to music. You can do whatever you want, you see, when you're single. But you can't do that when you've got others around, when you're on your own, there's a little bit of a difference. You can do what you want, if you're like me, and a musician and a drummer, and you can play your drums when other people, no one's here, no one's around, you can get on your drums and you can play it as loud as you want. That's what I can do because I live in the country, right? So you're single, but you're never alone, meaning there's you're thinking, you see. You can think up ideas. There's things you can do. It's really that uh, yeah, it's that profound, you see. Um, see, because being single and alone is a state of mind, and it is. A lot of people get worried about when because they're single and they're on their own. They just do. Well, I don't know why, because it's just a state of mind. That's all. You know. When you do this, leads to this. And why does that happen? Because you make come true what you think about. That's the reason for it. And that's why you're never alone, because you've got thinking stuff you can use. See? So single but never alone, because you've got thinking stuff you can use, come up with ideas and stuff like that. You can think about things. being single and alone is a state of mind. So I've missed out the word single here, so we better put that in. Okay, single. Now, the thing is about this, and think lonely and become lonely, because if you think what you think is what you get. That's exactly what it is, you know. And how long does it take me to do this? A few minutes, and I've got 3 already, just like that. I mean, this is simple. It's just simple stuff. You know, it's not that hard. You know, come on. And I show you what I mean. I mean, gee, you know, what you got to do is you put it on your hoodies and stuff like that. You know, and on your here we go. See this girl here? She's got a hoodie on, and she's saying your design here. So that's where you put these designs, right? That's what you do. You know, these sayings, these logos, these slogans. You see, single but never alone. You know, being single and alone is a state of mind. You know, that's it. You know, think lonely and become lonely. That's right. You got to watch what how you think. That's the truth. You know, it's the way that is. You see, so you don't want to be doing that. And I'll show you something else too, because a lot of people, you know, I'll show you something else. There's something else that you got to know too. Right. Here's my Printful account, and it's a free account. I never paid for it. Never paid for anything. And see here, design your first product. You know, and here over here, there's other things. There is there. Connect your store, add products to your store, set up billing, and order samples. So you see order samples. So there you go. There you go. I mean, that's just it. It's part of it, right? Choose a product and start designing it. You see, so t-shirts. These are the best sellers: t-shirts, caps, mugs, and a placemat. See there? Right, and then here's your challenges, your Printful challenges right here, where you can get perks and you win points for completing things. Right, you know, that's what you do. You know, that's it. That's how this works. They teach you, like I told you, how to start a print on demand business for beginners. And that's right, you're a beginner, so you need training, right? So they've got fashion guide here, so they tell you what sells, so you can put your designs on those and put those in your store. You've got Printful Academy, which they show you how to get traffic and teach you a number of other things through video and articles. So that's really good, you know. And then there's product templates, which you need also. So they show you how to use that as well. See, so this is really good stuff, you know. And yeah. And see, they want to know if it's helpful or not. See, so these people want to teach you how to do this. Why? Because if you profit, they profit. That's how it is. That's a good, which is a good way to run a business, I think. You know, as far as I'm concerned. So we're back to the slogans and logos and sayings. So single but never alone. Being single and alone is a state of mind, which it is, and think lonely and become lonely. So you put those on your t-shirts, and there's a message for people to, and that, you know, influences them to think, oh yeah, I'm single. Oh, it's a state of mind. Or maybe I shouldn't think that way then. I think lonely and you become lonely. Oh, maybe I should stop thinking that then. You know, you see, so you can influence people by doing this. Okay, so you know, I mean, this is a great business. Why? Because it is passive. See, you know, just because you create some of these sayings, logos, and slogans, and they don't work, you don't uh, give up and quit because, oh, it doesn't work. There's no money. You know, I mean, you know. I mean, this is not like bloody like earned income, which is the worst, you know, because you change it like a dog to a post. I'm sorry to say that, but you see, do you make enough of these slogans and you know, and logos, right, and sayings, right, and you put them up on product, you know, as a template, and you display them. You kick out if this, not all of them are going to work, but who cares? Who cares? Don't worry about that. Kick out the losers and keep finding and looking for the winners. Keep doing it every day. Put some more up. Put some more up. This is how you get there. And once you do, this is all passive income. You get some winners, and then you start and get some cash flow, and then those winners get more. You get more winners, and then pretty soon you've replaced your job, and that's the idea, right? That's what you want. Okay. So, if you like this video, click the like button, smash the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Get into Printful. Get in there. Come on, give yourself a chance, because, I mean, you've got no chance with your job. You're just on broke, that's for sure. And I know that for a fact, okay? You'll always be a slave chained to the post, and that's no good. Okay, so, with that, I'll say thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.